Hello and welcome to this week's update. We'll begin with foreign exchange. The dollar index had a negative UFO on Wednesday, but not a very powerful signal. Much more powerful was the RSI-based divergence on Friday, and we closed below the third deviation down, so enough to say that there's no permission to be long anymore. First downside target is 92.01, and then we have 91.56 weekly support. Euro, opposite signal on Wednesday, so a pop signal, and then another RSI based signal on Friday, and again we closed above the third deviation up. Key support is actually 117.73 to 117.53. And we've got nothing on the upside historically until 119.20. Cable came down to that daily support. The low was just a few ticks above it. And again, we've had another positive signal. So we can rotate back up to 141.34. No reason to be short. And it takes a daily close below 137.84. to turn the trend back down and target 134.83. Dollar yen. It was a timing pattern on Thursday, not enough on its own normally, but then very, very weak on Friday. So again, the close below 3 down on the deviation pivots is negative, and we can rotate back down to 108.72.5. Very choppy on Aussie, stuck in a real sideways range, getting patterns either side, so not much to report there. Have to wait to see which way the break is going to be. Kiwi, of course it held that powerful weekly and monthly zone a few weeks ago, so we're trapped in a very tight range, 69.23 below, 71.06 above. Dollar CAD, pretty quiet week really, not a great deal going on at all. So again, it's worth noting that resistance has dropped to weekly level down to 128.07, but otherwise pretty quiet. Euro pound, talked about how we often get a false break there. It didn't manage to make a fresh daily closing low, so it would have to make a daily close below the low that was made on Tuesday to be negative, but otherwise no resistance till 87.03, and of course the key support point 84.71, which is a weekly and a monthly level, so very, very powerful.